Hi, I'm Keith Cotter and welcome to the HSB Academy tutorial session. In today's session we're going to learn about the portability of framing styles. When you have a number of styles created within your detail editor and you now want to take these framing styles and basically import them into another template drawing. Or maybe you want to export what you've just created in a current template and bring this to another template. So we're going to learn about how to do that. So let's jump in. So here in the Framing Styles editor, you can see from this that we currently have a wall style created with an LVL profile and a 140 external. And we want to take these framing styles and bring them into another template file that you have in Revit. To do this, you would proceed to go to the General ribbon, and here you have the option to import and export framing styles. So the first thing we want to do is export framing style. And I'm going to place this in a folder here, and you can see that it creates a zip file for that particular folder. Now, in that particular zip file is quite an important set of files that will be exported. And if we look in that particular folder, and I double click in the zip file, you'll see all the various families are exported, as well as some settings regarding the Framing Styles editor. So now we're going to open up a new project, which is just a blank template. And inside in this, what we want to do is take a look once more in the Framing Styles editor. And we can see from this that it's currently empty at this present moment. So now we go to HSB General, we go Import Framing Style, I pick the zip file that's sitting in the folder and I open. Now it's important to note two conditions happen here. In the first instance, it does remove any current framing styles and replaces it by imported one. So that is an important step to note. And also the match framing style. So if you've got your walls matched already architecturally to wall style frame, or you've got any opening configurations matched, they are removed and you need to rematch those again. So I continue to say yes. And I'm then prompted to say that the framing styles were successful. Let's take ourselves once more to the Framing Styles editor. And there you can now see that we have once more the framing styles from the existing template. I'm Keith Cotter, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in future sessions.